Next is embedding Google Slide. Okay, this Google Slide was created in the Google form itself. Okay, so now I'm going to embed this into Author. Okay, so first of all, okay, we need to make sure the sharing setting is correct so that other people could have the access. Okay, we'll be able to see this file. Okay, so we'll go to this share. Okay, share button here. So make sure that we can choose any of these settings. Okay, usually I will put can view. Okay, just can view, or if you want to change that to okay, you allow people to edit, okay, you can do that. Okay, perhaps in our classroom it is useful for this. Alright, so this one can view only. Okay, and then done. Okay, now we have already set this Google Slide so that other people could read. Okay, have the access. Now I'm going to embed this into our LMS. So we go to File, and then we go to Publish to the web. Okay, now we choose the embed here. Okay, and then we can actually select okay the size. So let's say we go for medium, and then we publish, and then okay. Now an embed code has been generated, so we need to copy this. Okay, and then we go back to our LMS. Okay, and then we create new post. So you can give some instruction there, and then don't forget to click on the source button here, and then paste, and then again source button. Okay, now it is ready, so we can go back and adjust. Okay, if it is too big and so on, okay, then we adjust the sizes now. Okay, then we post here. Okay, now it is already in our LMS. So this is our Google Slide. Then it can be viewed from this. Okay, from our author. Okay, so we can move from one slide to another slide. Okay, now as I mentioned earlier, okay, for Google Slide, the setting for us to embed Google Docs as well as Google Sheet is also the same. So I've done this, okay, just to show you. However, the problem here is for both, okay, it is too small. Okay, there is no way in which we can adjust the frame here so that people can see in full view. Okay, this is for Google Docs, and actually I put the setting here so that people can edit, but still, okay, it can only be viewed only. Google Sheet is also the same. So if you want to share a Google Docs and Google Sheet, okay, it is advisable that you put the link, okay, the URL. So when people click on this, okay, it will launch, okay, a new tab will be open, and then if you ask people to edit this one, okay, they will be able to do that. Okay, so yes, okay, so people can start editing this document. So I already put in the notes that a warning sort of, which telling that embedding Google Docs and Google Sheet is not recommended because it is non-editable. We cannot edit in Author, and the viewing is too small. This is a typo. And you are advised to copy and paste the share link using the URL panel. So this is what I meant. This is the panel. Let's continue our tutorial. Now I want to embed this video. This video was actually uploaded to my Google Drive. And I want to embed this and to be played directly in our LMS. So the steps are actually the same for a PDF file, a PowerPoint presentation, and also audio. So I'm going to show you this first. Alright, and of course, the first step is to launch this. Double click here, and it will be open like this one, so we can actually watch this video. And first thing that we need to do is to make sure that I just pause this first. So that we put the sharing setting correctly, so that our students will be able to view this video, or to read the PDF file, from our LMS. Alright, if not, they will have some problems. So pause. So we go to these three dots here. It indicates more actions are here. So first we need to share. So this is the first step. Then we click on this get shareable link and make sure that we have selected. We need to select out of these three. So remember, if we are using the Google Drive provided by the institution, our UTHM.edu.my, we have other extra here, for UTHM only and so on. So this one I'm using my personal account, so only three options here. So just can view, for example, and then done. We go back to this. Three dots. Now we go down here. We need to open a new window. So open a new window. So that will be here, and then once again, we don't have to wait for the video to load. So again, these three dots here. I want to share, organize, add, start, rename, detail, that's one embed item. So what I need to do is just copy this and then click OK. Next we go back to our Author. We go back to our LMS, and same thing. What we need to do is to click on source and then paste. Alright, and then we click again on the source. So the source here is to embed the code that we already copied just now from this video. So the video will be here. It will be played directly in LMS without going back to the original location. Okay, so again, for the steps for PDF that we upload, okay, PowerPoint, audio file, and so on, the process is similar to this one. So I don't have to show you, okay, all the steps.